what is happening here all till the end, right? So it is not only you will have to focus on the others as well, because this will give you enough scope to ask questions. There will be, how will it happen now? The question answer session. There will be one representative from the school who is going to ask the question, and there will be one representative from the other school who's going to answer the question. So there is very 1:1 ratio, right? Not everyone going to raise a hand and answer and ask questions. So one representing will ask and answer. And whosoever wants to do that during the question answer session, when it is announced and declared, you will have to raise your hand telling that you are the one who is going to ask and you are the one who is going to answer. In the end, the last important point, your experience for us, for the entire heads team here, is so valuable, and it is going to be very motivating and energizing for us. So please, there we will be holding an experience sharing session right after that. I would request you to get the real feeling of the event all throughout, and then in the end, each one of you sitting here is going to tell us how did you feel about the event, right? So this will happen in the end. This is very important. That's a basic reminder I just wanted to give of the parameters that has been created, and you already know it. Sugandhi ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Kritika. You made my work easy, and indeed that was very much required now. And let's not wait any further and call upon the students from various schools across the world who have done all the hard work to showcase their talent and engage in this knowledge exchange program. Over to you, Kritika.
Yes, definitely. Let's not wait any further, because this is very exciting now. And looking at the excitement and the way everyone was arranged prior to this beginning of this event, hats off to you for following all those norms. Most of you, the way you had labeled and coded yourself, it shows that you are dedicated students and you want to learn more from different people across the globe. Thank you so much. Now, before we move further, once again, a very big thank you to Dr. Aruna Water, Dr. Seema Negi, and the entire heads team for organizing this beautiful intellectual global event. What else do we want? Thank you so much. All right, let's move ahead and let's begin. But there is a sequence of activities that we are going to follow. Now, this is nothing tough. It is simple because you already know your codes that have been assigned. You have your codes with you from the beginning till the end. We will be following the same sequence as per the codes, right? So you will just have to remember your codes, dear student, nothing else. As far as making you the co-host is concerned, I will keep announcing because I have the information and we keep doing that, right? Just follow your codes and please make sure that your environment where you're presenting is distraction free in terms of people and noises. As far as possible, kindly do that. Yeah. Man, over to you.
All right, thank you, Kirtika. And one more time, I would suggest all the students to observe keenly and make a note of the details being presented by various schools, as this will help you to form questions during the question answer session. And also, it's important because you may not know to which school you'll be asked to put forward a question. All right? So you have to watch every show and make a note, if possible, make a question for every presentation. Okay? And I request Mr. Aditya, can you be our timekeeper for today? I know it's a last minute request, but I think you won't mind. Okay? Children, are you all ready?
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Children, are you all ready? Yes,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
5 students are ready.
Yes,
Technical
ma'am.
team, Mr. Rahil, Mr. Aditya, Mr. Rahil, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And Dr. Aruna and Dr. Seema, can we move ahead? Yes, thank you. And Kirtika, are you ready?
Oh, I am.
All right, now here comes the first school. Being the IT hub, this city is the most ethnically diverse city now. Yes, I'm talking about the Garden City, Bangalore. The most celebrated traditional festivals in Bangalore are Dashara, Karaga, Deepavali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ugadi, Shankranti, Eid, and Christmas. The classical music and dance recital are widely held throughout the year and particularly during the Ram Navami and Ganesh Chaturthi festival.
Yes, of course. And to take us through the tradition, we are going to invite 022C Green Eden Public School from Bangalore, Karnataka. Yashwant D. Gowda, Jaswant, Manoj N. Rupa Shri S. Heads technical team, I would request you to make 022CC Shiba Karthik, the coordinator of the school, as the co-host for the presentation. Let's all welcome Green Eden School with a PowerPoint presentation revolving around tradition.
Thank you so much, ma'am. They are ready.
Thank you.
Let us
start. Your time starts now.
Good evening all. We are from Green Indian Public School, Bengaluru. We are going to speak about tradition. A tradition is a belief or behavior passed down within a group or society with symbolic meaning of special significance with the origin in the past. India is the most religious nation in this world. Karnataka is one of the richest places of India in terms of culture, heritage, food, and it has a very big and rich history. Karnataka, the southern state of India, was formed on 1st November 1956, and from then the state has been divided into four subdivisions, where I am a proud Kannadiga going to represent North Karnataka in Uttar Kannada. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಾನಿದೆ ನಾನು ಶರಣ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ Ashwin. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೌತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ದಶ್ಮನ್
Wow, nice to see you all. Smith, Nancha, Good evening. I am going to represent Malenadu, Karnataka.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
Navika.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
yes, now they are ready to compete each other. Let's begin.
I'm wearing the beautiful Kasudi embroidery, which is a special craft practiced mainly in northern states. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, it is. I am wearing the fisherman dressing half pants and banyans. How is it?
Yes, it's wonderful. Can't you see mine? It's so traditional, and I'm coupled with a woman wearing Mysore silk saree. How do you feel, Jashwant?
It's stunning, Smith. I am the savior. Dignity and proud. That's in my dressing.
Festival is coming around.
No idea about your festivals, Papa, but we celebrate Gaudi Ganesha festival to pay tribute to the goddess Gaudi and god Ganesha for their wisdom. We also celebrate Krishna Janmashtami, Sankranti, Dasara for the blessings of dignity.
We also celebrate victory for the produce of the earth.
Oh, really? We celebrate Karamanimi to worship the agricultural humans and also bullocks.
There are lots of festivals in our state. We know a traditional dance. Tirsi Marigamma is a traditional festival famous here. And Yakshagan is an extraordinary theatre form in the mixture of music and dance.
Being Kannadiga, all of us are good lovers of food. We eat ragi mudde, which is our traditional dish, and other Muslim dishes like benne dosa, akki roti, and ragi roti, which is delicious.
Oh, is it so? Then what about us? Holisar is a classic style prepared with poppy seeds. You all must try it once. It's delicious.
Okay, Vishnu, we'll try for sure. We are famous in jola roti, uchal chutney, kothumari raita, and many palyas and curry.
For really, Rupa, are you aware of Udupi, which is famous in veg dishes like neer dosa, coconut chutney, halwa, rice cakes? It is delicious.
After all these, we Kannadigas are moving ahead. Recent development of Karnataka has given rise to many cities where people come from every part of the country. Thus, Western ways and modern practices are followed as per their convenience. However, the tradition of Karnataka still remains to be cherished by the Kannada people.
Even though we meet casually, we get friends.
Let's be in touch. And let's enjoy this dance.
We love Kannadigas. Namaste.
Wow, children, that was amazing. Incredibly explained was a tradition through your creative PowerPoint presentation. Beautiful work presented by the students with the great support of their principal, Dr. Vedavati, MD, and coordinator, Ms. Shiva Karthik.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you, students. Located in the heart of the Southeast Asia is a beautiful country, Malaysia. It enjoys a year round tropical climate. Malaysia is well known for its diverse culture and landscape. The country is known for its beaches and islands, rich tapestry of culture and history, well preserved heritage, treasure, flora and fauna, and well maintained natural reserves.
Very rightly said, and to give more highlights on the art and culture of Malaysia, coming up next are the students from 023C SMK Rajamahedi School with a creative PowerPoint presentation. And the presenters are Sharvin Vasantakumar, Isha Sukumaran, Navina Rajratnam, and Puvidi Manivannan. As technical team, I would request you to make 023CP Dr. Malini as the co-host. Yes, children, go ahead.
Salam, Master. I'm Puvili Manivandan. I'm Shari Kumar. I'm Isha Sukamaran. I'm Navina Rajaratnam. We are going to introduce multiracial and multicultural country, Malaysia. Malaysia is a Southeast Asian country occupying parts of the Borneo Island